Good morning, my little ones. How are you all? I know you all are fine and I'm so happy to meet you all again. I'm your Sarita ma'am. Now, tell me kids, which numbers you have learned till date? You have learned numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, today in numeracy space, we will learn the next number, that is number 5. Now, before learning today's number, let us orally revise all the numbers from 0 to 10. Now, these are flowers made up of numbers. Numbers from 0 to 10, 10. So, let's start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Before starting with number 5, let us revise number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 with the help of some objects.
Now, I have got here number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and I have placed some bangles according to the numbers. So, let's start with number 0. 0 means nothing. So, I have not placed any bangle there. The next number is number 1. So, I have placed one bangle in front of number 1. Next number is number 2. So, I have placed two bangles, 1 and 2. 2, 1, 2. The next number is number 3. So, I have placed 3 bangles, 1, 2 and 3. 3, 3. The next number is number 4. So, I have placed 1, 2, 3 and 4 bangles. 4, 4.
Now, tell me which number we are going to learn today. We are going to learn number 5. Number 5. F-I-V-E 5. Number 5. F-I-V-E 5. Now, tell me children, how many fingers you have on your one hand? Let's count and see. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers on your one hand and on another hand too you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now let us learn about number 5 by counting some objects.
Now, let's start counting the objects. Here, I have got some pegs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pegs. The next object is spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 spoons. The next is some blocks. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 blocks. Let's count the next object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sketch pens. Let's count the candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 candies. And next is carom coins. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 carom coins.
Now, let us do one fun-filled activity related to numbers. Now, here I have got number cards of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and some stars here. Now, what we have to do in this activity is we have to identify the number as well as the colors the numbers are written with and select a star from here and place it under the numbers. So, let's start from number 0. 0 means nothing. So, we will not place any star under it. The next number is number 1 and number 1 is written with pink color. So, we will place one star of pink color under it and here is the pink star. So, we will place one pink star under number 1 written with pink color. The next number is number 2 and it is written with green color. So, we will select 2 green stars with green color and place it under it. 1, 2. 2 green stars under number 2. The next number is number 3 which is written in blue color. So, we will select blue stars from here and place it under it one by one. So, how many stars we have kept under number 3? We have kept 1, 2, 3 stars under number 3 and 3 is written in blue color and we have placed 3 blue stars. Now, let's move to the next number. Number 4. 4 is written in red color. So, we will search for red stars. Here they are. So, we will start putting stars under number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will put 4 stars because the number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number is number 5 and it is written in white color. So, we will place 5 white stars under number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this way, we will complete this activity of numbers from 0 to 5. Now, let us learn how to write number 5 in notebook. But before that, we will do tracing of number 5 on slate. Now, let us start tracing number 5 on slate. First of all, we will make a slipping line from here to here. And then we will make a standing line and a reverse C curve like this. Number 5. Now, let us learn how to write number 5 in square line notebook. Now, here I have written today's date 1/5/15/7/2020. That means 15th July 2020. And the number that we are going to write today is number 5. Here TO is written. That means tens and ones. So, we will write number 5 under ones column. So, let's start writing. Little bit below the above line, we will make a sleeping line, a standing line, and a reverse C curve touching the below line. Number 5. Sleeping line, standing line, reverse C curve touching the below line. Number 5. Make a sleeping line, little bit below the above line, standing line, reverse C curve touching the below line. Number 5. Sleeping line, standing line, reverse C curve. Number 5. Sleeping line, standing line, reverse C curve. Number 5. Let's again write. Leaving some space from above the line, we will make a sleeping line like this, standing line, and a reverse C curve touching the below line. Sleeping line, standing line, reverse C curve. Sleeping line, standing line, reverse C curve touching the below line. Number 5. Sleeping line, standing line, reverse C curve. Number 5. Sleeping line, standing line, reverse C curve. Number 5. Sleeping line, standing line, reverse C curve. Number 5. Sleeping line, standing line, reverse C curve. Number 5. Sleeping line, standing line, reverse C curve. Number 5. Sleeping line, standing line, reverse C curve. Number 5. Sleeping line, standing line, reverse C curve touching the bottom line. Number 5. Now, children, you have to finish writing number 5 in your book in this way. Now, we will draw 5 objects in this page. So, the objects that we are going to draw today is 5 boxes. So, let's start drawing. First, I'll make a square like this, standing line, sleeping line, and again standing line. Then from inside this point, I'll again make a sleeping line going out of this box, a standing line, and again a sleeping line and slanting line. 2 squares are intersecting each other like this. Now we will make slant lines like this, joining these 2 points, slant line like this, and like this. So this is one box which we have drawn. The similar way, we will draw one more box. First we will draw a square like this. Then again we will draw a square intersecting the first square, 2 squares, and we will join the corners with the help of slanting line like this. Our box number 2 is ready. Now we will finish drawing 5 boxes in this way. Now let's start coloring the box. I have taken green color. You can take any color of your choice. You have to color it very neatly and see that the color doesn't go out of the boundary line. The next box, I'll take pink color to color. Now you have to finish coloring all the 5 boxes in this way. I hope you all are clear about number 5. Meet you all tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye-bye.